Development Agency. This development agency will be fully dedicated for manufacturing of drone and drone technologies in India. And talking about the research and development part, it will be doing advanced aerodynamics and materials, stealth technology, electronic warfare, electronic intelligence, communication and navigation system, autonomous flight control, and sensor payload integration. So basically these are the areas in which this particular agency will do research work and develop core technologies for this particular drone prototype. Now, talking about collaborations. So as we all know, it's a very critical technology and this is not available easily anywhere. So we have collaborated with an Israeli aerospace company that is already having such type of technology. So basically, we are having a TOT agreement through which 60% of it will be manufactured indigenous over here, and in coming years, for example, India drone market currently is estimated around $1.4 billion, and it is about to grow. It has a potential to reach up till $20 billion in 2030. So that's a potential India possesses in drone market. And talking about the global market, up till 2023, the global market size of drones was $20 billion, and it is growing at a compound rate of 12% CAGR up till 2030. So talking about the capabilities, I would like to call Hitesh.
Thank you, Saurabh. So good evening, everyone. I am here to describe about capacity of India, capability of India in drone sector. So as per the source of EY, potential up to $23 billion US approximately by 2030. This is the capacity of India. In terms of volume, as of now, we are having 10,803 units, and we are planning to scale it up to 61,393 units in 2029. We are in various domains like agriculture, defense, and e-commerce. The source of these are markets and markets. One more slide is available, as Saurabh mentioned, that the current market size as of 2024 it is 1.4 billion. It was estimated earlier in 2019-2020 that we will reach up to 1.8 billion, but now in 2020 it was $830 million US. So the rank of India. Saurabh beautifully described global players. Now I would like to describe India's rank. As of now, no stat is available, as India is becoming drone manufacturing growing quickly by government policies such as Narendra Modi Drone Didi scheme, which has sanctioned somewhere around ₹500. Sources the Hindustan Times, including PLI schemes. As we all know, the global leaders are US, China, and Israel in terms of overall export volume. Then, however, with over 400 startups and 48 companies now involved in drone manufacturing, it is gaining momentum. So we can achieve the target of $23 billion US by 2030. Then also company like Idea Force, which is Indian company. Idea Force is about to expand in Northern America. Source is Brand Magazine, and Idea Force is also planning to export in US and Canada. Now I would like to call Akshay.
Thank you, Hitesh, and good afternoon, everyone. So I am going to discuss about the future aspect of drone in India, and the future aspect would be up to 2030. So the future aspect which I am going to talk is, this report is given by the EY. So they have said that India will be growing fast in the drone side sector, and actually the India will be manufacturing the drone. So basically there is overall startup is 37 startup right now working in India, but in 37 there are 2 startup which is coming very fast, like Idea Force, and the second is DC Sriram. So in like Idea Force right now in the world it has 5th rank overall, and they have they are going to merge, they are going to open their market in the foreign, and they are working on UAV, and these are very helpful for India purpose, because as EY says that the drone industry can boost India manufacturing potential to $23 billion by 2030. So, and also EY said that now from 2020 to 2025 there would be 40% of indigenous component India will be using, and the rest from 2025 to 2030 60% of will be using indigenous component to make while making the drones. Now like I will be going to conclude. So part as in army or in aircraft anywhere. So as like there was a movie like everybody has seen what the drone has played an important role. So now and also like if the indigenous drone would be there, it will help give a leg up to over the enemy to counterpart. So this was the thank you.
Again, same question to your team as well. What was the task given to you? And this is for all other teams. Before you start the presentation, just tell what was the exact task given to you. Next, what was your problem definition?
So basically, task was given that we were given three verticals like Army, Navy, and Air Force. We have to choose any one of them, and we have to also choose a critical technology used in that particular force. So in Air Force, we chose drone, and with that respect only, we did market research. Means not aggressive, but secondary research we did.
Again, what you did, I'm not asking. What you were supposed to do? What was the task given to you? Just tell me that. You people are not able to define the task. Just define that. You started very good, nicely. You said that you are asked to choose anyone from the forces, army, navy, use any one technology that is common to them. Then what?
So then we worked upon the.
Again, you worked. Then what you were supposed to do?
We have to connect this digital transformation, basically how things are going on, how digital technology is changing day by day and how it is transforming. So we, with perspective to that, we have to assume things. For example, in terms of drone, India is lagging far behind, but on a daily basis we are seeing the technology is improving, 5G is coming, satellite space technology and many more technologies are coming. So with that respect, where we are standing, so we did a study on that. How we can help with the help of digital transformation.
So you were asked to study the digital technology. What was the exact task? Why they are not clear about the task?
To present the report on drone, to present on drone and how digital transformation is applicable in this. Like as we all know, drones contain cameras and many other equipment. So we have used that up to the max possible level. And as we are new players, so we are providing that with very much innovation.
So you were asked to study how means what are drones and how that technology is helping in digital transformation of the forces. Is that so?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Is that so?
Sir, and also I would like
Yeah,
to add
please.
something. Like before that, what the topic we have given now. So we would ask, like sir has asked us to go through the reverse engineering of the drone. Second, in that growth, what is the growth in India? What India will be capable of? What is the Indian capability? And what are the resources required? And the project plan. How you will plan the project?
So I'll intervene. The task which was given was pick up any product in any of the domain, where we stand currently, and how digital transformation, applying digital transformation, we can accelerate the process wherein technologically and manufacturing wise we will go ahead. So we started with a vision. What is the vision of NADP? So capacity building for Atmanirbhar Bharat. So I told them pick up any product where we stand currently and how we can scale the height using digital transformation.
Okay.
That was the task.
So that is the study you are presenting. Right. Okay. So you chose drones, right? Drone technology. So you studied your market, drone manufacturing market as well.
Yes, sir.
You presented the market size and all like
Yes,
worldwide and where the market is going, how that CAGR rate, with what CAGR rate it is going.
Global 12%.
Yeah, you told that 12% CAGR is going. You didn't tell about what is the CAGR in India, right? Anything about value chain? Because why I am asking this question, because you are MBA students, you are not engineering BTech, right? So you should study, technology is one part, but if you are studying manufacturing capability and all, the entire value chain needs to be studied, right? So anything about that? So because see, when you are talking about drone manufacturing, lot of ancillary industries will be associated with the manufacturing of drones. So when we are talking about the increasing the manufacturing capability, the entire ecosystem needs to be strengthened up, right? So a study around all those things. So once you study the entire value chain from starting to last, you will find there are many vulnerabilities that are stopping India. So India is lacking in those areas. Maybe in some area we have got some strength. right? And who are the competitors in those areas? So I am looking forward to those areas. However, in this project, what I understand is you have to present what you have thought, right? So that part is okay. ठीक है, okay. Whatever you have studied, that needs to be presented nicely. I understand that. ठीक है.
So what is the current position of India in
Tools
drone?
used.
As of now, we don't have any stats.
Huh?
As of now, we don't have any stats.
You don't have any
Yes,
stats.
sir.
But we are having a value of $1.4 million. It's a whole drone market and majorly it is dominated by military only.
What was the latest accident in the drone with regards to India? Which is the highest imported drone price that India has bought? What is its cost of that drone?
So it's in a pipeline only. Right?
No, we have already imported it. So we had imported a lot of drones, and out of that one, Indian Navy has lost the drone just 3 days back.
You told about UAVs somewhere in the presentation. What is the difference between UAV and a drone?
Basically, unmanned aerial vehicle is a two. If you're using it for a public purpose, it is referred as UAV, but in military it is called as UCAV, unmanned combat aerial vehicle.
No, I'm asking UAV and drone. What is the difference?
UAVs and aerial.
No difference.
The unmanned aerial vehicle it has more functionality as compared to drone. We can use it for a particular purpose itself. And for drone, we drone just like it's a similar thing, but the features in UAV is more.
I don't know. I'm just asking because you use that word.
Both the drones have different features. So the normal drone is for like commercial drone, everybody can use. But for aerial is something different. That they can be for surveillance or they can be used for attacking purpose.
So,
Yeah, no.
In simple language, if I say it's the same thing, but features are a bit different.
Features is different.
It can be used for a particular purpose, like in agriculture, it is used for spraying different seeds, or and also and drone is just simple for imaging and all. It's just showing the image.
So UAV has a bigger size compared to drone.
चलो okay. ठीक है. Anyone would like to ask anything?
Any questions